It's the Josie and Jess show. Josie got a new playhouse. Let's see what they're doing. Hi, girls! What you cooking, Josie? Cooking. What are you cooking? Oh, Jess is going through the door. Oh, she's leaving. She's out of here. Where are you going, Jess? Jess, where are you going? Let's go get her, Josie. Where are you going?